are you kids doing now?
We're having a contest, Mom.
What?
We're having a burp contest, Mom.
Well, knock it off. I do not allow burping in this house.
I love Mom.
But...
The show must go on.
Bart, what did I say about burping? I said no burping. And when I say no burping, what do I mean? That's right, no burping. I know you won't disappoint me.
Watch this. The burp champion of the world.
Burp? I mean, Bart, are you burping again?
Maybe.
What is it with this burping? Why? What's the thrill?
It's fun.
It's crude. It's vulgar. It's impolite. And it's nauseating.
That's what I said. It's fun.
I'm still the burp champion of the world.
Bart, meet the new champ.
Watch this.
Oh, yeah?
How many times do I have to tell you kids? I absolutely forbid burping in this household.
How's it going, everybody? Oops, pardon my French.
Thanks, Dad.
Good one, Dad.